Hi, I'm Courtney Brooks. I'm Dr. Rose's medical esthetician in his New York City practice. Dr. Rose's latest innovation is the Resurfacing liquid peel. What sets this peel apart from the daily alpha-beta peels is not only is there still those really great alpha and beta hydroxy acids in this product, but he also added an enzyme called Bromelain. He also formulated this peel with an acid pH of 3.5, which just allows the ingredients to go even deeper. He's actually taken a version of what we do in the practice every day and given it to you to use at home. And here's how it works. So in the box, not only are you getting like the liquid golds that it's coming with, but it's coming with sterilized 100% organic cotton balls. Not only is it going to glide easier, it's going to penetrate easier, but this type of cotton is actually going to lift up the dirt and debris. So make sure when you do your peel, you have clean, dry skin. In the practice, I like to prep both bottles to do the peel. I stretch out my cotton a little bit just so I have a little bit more surface area. Then we're going to tip the bottle upside down for 3 seconds. We really want to make sure you have enough product on that cotton. We're going to do the same thing for step 2, so we're ready to go. So I go through and I do my forehead first, down the nose, around the eyes. After I put my first pass on, I really want to go in and treat areas that I'm more concerned about. So I'm going to do my forehead lines. I have this like annoying breakout under here that has to go. When you go through and do step 2, you're going to do that same all over even application. We want everywhere treated. You can never over neutralize. There's Centella Asiatica in here, there's green tea, some colloidal oatmeal. You can use any of your post-care products after this treatment. They're all totally fine. Perfect.